Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zifis and I'm back with another video here with another vlog. So I know I'm not done with the wedding series, but I promise I'm going to upload everything. So I decided to vlog today. I'm going to be cooking egusi soup and ripe plantains. So this is not like the first meal I'm going to be cooking for hubby. This should be like the 6th meal, okay? Well, as his wife, right? Like this should be the 6th meal. So I just decided to take you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys soon. So today is Sunday and I just came back from church, so I just changed and then I'm getting ready to cook. So I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you guys soon. So I have everything here. I just came back from the market. I'm going to be cooking egusi soup with ripe plantains. So I'm preparing my plantains, as you guys can see. Chopping my onions. So I already have the garlic and ginger. I'm going to blend these other onions. So I just finished chopping my onions. I'm going to blend this alongside with pepper. What's that pepper day? There's that carrot. The pepper is that carrot. Moi je t'aime comme ça, like that, like that. Moi je t'aime comme ça, like that, like that. So I'm going to blend all of this so that I can spice my meat. Where I will move ring light now. I'm blending. I want to blend so you guys are not going to be seeing me very well because I'm going to disconnect the ring light. So please bear with me. Okay, I'm going to see you guys after blending. Okay. So I have my blended garlic, ginger, and onions. I'm going to blend just two tomatoes. I always like to just spice it up a little bit, just to give it some color. So I'm going to do a voiceover because there was a copyrighted music playing. So right now I'm spicing up my meat, kanda and fish. In Cameroon we call it kanda. In Nigeria I think they call it pomo. I don't know how they call it in other countries. Right now I'm putting my dried egusi into the blender and I'm going to blend it. This blender actually blends anything hard, okay? So I'm getting my water leaf ready. I'm just preparing it, guys. I always love to put green vegetables in my soup, okay? No matter what the vegetable is, I just love seeing my soup looking green. So I think the steps are quite easy. I got everything into the pot. Next I'm going to add in my meat stock. Yes, I did not throw my meat stock. Never throw your meat stock away, guys. So I'm adding my egusi right now to my pot. I'm going to cover this for about, I think I cooked this egusi for about, let me see, 20 to 25 minutes, guys. You want your egusi to get ready. I was adding water, closing the pot, just making sure the egusi gets really ready, because if it does not get ready, it's going to disturb your stomach. Okay, so I add up a little bit of red oil for some color. This is not a food tutorial, okay? I'm just showing you guys my way of cooking egusi soup. My soup is ready and it looks so yummy. Trust me, it tastes yummy as well. I'm going to serve it now. Okay, so my baby brother came and we decided to eat together. Hubby was sleeping at this time, so he had to eat later. Okay, so we enjoyed our meal, our egusi soup and ripe plantains. I'm just going to show you guys how I ate it. Like, I enjoyed the food, drank water, and that's basically it about this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know in the comment section if you eat egusi soup. If you've ever prepared egusi soup, let me know as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.